Hey, what's up, everyone? I'm doing a retake of this video. I didn't want the first one to be and you guys never been to Edmonton, summer camp, and you're not super smart, hit me up. My email address will be down below in the description. Hit me up. Will either send you money to come here and meet me, uh, and yeah, or we'll send you some money on a gift card and you can do whatever with it. Your choice. Um, yeah. Also, I'm gonna be coming out with a fantastic merchandise you can get on my TikTok or my Instagram